Hey, you, are you upset? Please don't be so sad, no, no. But just be awesome instead. I know your life is hard. Stuff happens all the time, but look around, it's shiny. So why do you cry? So many places in the world you need to see. So square your shoulders and stand up, stand up. Just come with me. Forget your fears, your pain, your sorrow. It was before. Knock, knock, come on, please open up. It's a new life knocking on your. Have you ever climbed a mountain? Let's climb them all. Have you ever jumped with the parachute? What are you waiting for? Have you ever swum in the ocean? I'm on the sharks. Have you ever been to Greenland? That's not so far. Leave all the things you used to hate. It was all wrong. So square your shoulders right away and sing my song. Forget your fears, your pain, your sorrow. It was before. Knock, knock, come on, please open up. It's a new life knocking on your. Please don't be sad, please don't deplore. Please come on, open up your door. Have you ever been to Greenland? That's not so far.
En Madrid, pues, hemos estado en muchos sitios, pero yo creo que es un sitio de los más especiales que nos va a tocar. Y agradecer, como no, a todo el equipo de Bofi.
Es un poquito la apuesta que hemos hecho para dar a conocer el remo y nuestra ciudad, ¿no? Hondarribia, Guipúzcoa, Euskadi, el remo. Un deporte ancestral que quien le habían dicho a aquellos pescadores hace un par de siglos que iba a derivar en un deporte y que iban a venir a Madrid. Los valores que tiene el remo son sustanciales en nuestra compañía, de valor, lealtad, honestidad, trabajo, el día a día. Y claro, ya dentro del remo pues vamos a ver si podemos empujar humildemente a este gran club, a esta gran ciudad y a este gran deporte. Muchísimas gracias a todos. Gracias.